Morning. So, big news day. It's raining, which hasn't impressed Donna very much because she don't like the cold or the wet. So yeah, I've just unloaded the car with the help of Donna. And floor tiles. Look, actual tiles. That's the style we've gone for. Special offer. Had enough to do the new area upstairs, so might get it done, might not, might just stay there till next year. One thing the rain has done, shown me that door sealed and it's not getting wet on the inside. Actually soaking on the outside. Yeah, might have a few wet things underneath, but so be it. It's one of those things. But on other big news, you'll find that this is uploaded to YouTube because everyone's been telling me I need to start a YouTube channel. So I had an old one that I started in 2010 with some drifting bits on, so renamed it Drifting to Bulgaria. Gonna cover bits to do to the house and then bits that I'm doing to the drift car. So hopefully that's acceptable by everyone that just keep saying, start a channel, it'll be great, start a channel. Well, we started a channel. Wonderful. See you later.